Hello, my name's Owen Bondurant. I'm the president and founder of Independent RX Consulting.
My name is Heidi Danhof. I am one of the partners with PioneerRx Consulting.
Hi, I'm Mark Bondurant. I've been a pharmacist for 41 years, and we help people start, buy, and operate stores throughout the country.
Technology is an important part of your pharmacy. It shapes the services that you're going to offer. It shapes the type of people you need to hire.
We usually have people do demos on pharmacy systems pretty early on. A lot of times if you're waiting for your construction to get done, it's a great time to just do all your demos, figure out what you want, work on your layout, just so that once you get your license, you don't have to worry about those things then.
And what we try to pin them down is to say, no, why, when you open your store, why is someone going to come to you? You have to have a reason. And some of those reasons are growing up in the town is a good reason because people want to support that. I'm friends with all the doctors in the community. People want to support that. There's a niche that's not being met, such as compounding, long-term care, a backfill situation where an independent is closed. Those are all really good ideas.
All the pharmacy systems can dispense drugs. Not all of them can provide you the data and the business resources that you need to run your business.
You definitely want to make sure your location is good. You want to make sure you have something special about your store.
Software always has to allow you to grow. So it has to have the capability to add the niche marketing things that may come up, such as compounding or long-term care. But more importantly, in today's world, it has to offer you a way to do clinical services and care plans, NTMs, and MedSync. Having a system that's not only thinking about what I need today, but what am I going to need to practice 2, 3, 5 years down the road. I think that's what should drive your decision.